Have you ever stopped to ask yourself, where did you come from? Not your name, not your family, not your nationality. I mean, what are you actually made of? Look at your body. The water inside you came from the natural world. The minerals in your bones came from the earth. The food that built your cells came from plants, animals, soil, sunlight, and water. Even the oxygen you breathe is part of a natural cycle. So perhaps the question isn't, am I connected to nature? Perhaps the question is, how could I ever have been separated from it? Before you were born, the elements that would become your body already existed. They were moving through oceans, plants, soil, animals, and atmosphere. Then somehow they came together and became you. For a while, nature is experiencing life through your particular form. Think about a tree. The tree doesn't need to announce that it belongs to nature. It simply grows. It takes water. It exchanges gases with the atmosphere. It receives sunlight. It gives back oxygen, shelter, and nutrients. It participates in the system, and so do we. But somehow, along the way, humanity began to imagine itself as separate from the natural world. We built walls between ourselves and the environment. We called nature a resource. We began asking, what can nature give us? Perhaps awareness requires a different question. What is my responsibility within the system that sustains me? You are not standing outside nature looking in. You are inside it. Your breath participates in its cycles. Your body carries its elements. Your life depends on its balance. And one day your elements will return to the larger cycle from which they came. Maybe we don't need to find our way back to nature. Maybe we only need to become aware that we never left. This is the Main Prof, correcting wrong impressions to bring alignment with nature. Question what you have been taught, observe deeply, and become aware.